I have to note that my hair is getting so big. Good morning, guys. It's a beautiful day. Today I got up early. I was up at like 3 in the morning or 3:30. I went to sleep really early last night, I think around 8 or 8:30, and now I'm like up. It's probably like 5 something now. This morning I was just on my laptop looking at some videos, also on Craigslist, looking up items that they have for sale and just relaxing. I burned some incense. I'm gonna go off to the little gym and do a little spinning workout if it's available, and I'm gonna take you guys around with me today because I just plan to do mostly home stuff. So I'll let you guys see what I'm doing around my apartment and just really small things. This is my current setup at the moment. I love sleeping on the floor, and I went to look at some beds, but I'm actually like not wanting to dedicate my space to a bed. So I decided that right now I'm gonna sleep on the floor until I decide what I want to do. I have my blanket that I got from Ross. It's so cozy and comfortable. I got this at Zara Home back in Mexico. They have a Zara Home and I bought this there. It was really expensive, that's all I remember, but I got it and it's still with me today. So I'm excited to use it. I even started considering like a rollaway bed. My mom had suggested it because I don't want to dedicate my space to a bed. Even though I have 2 bedrooms, I want to use all my space. So that's what's going on right now. I'll be editing today and just having a lot of me time because I've been on the go so much every day the past few days, moving in and buying things for my apartment and taking my mom around also to different stores and stuff. So I'm excited to have some me time and to just spend some time around my apartment, and I can't wait to take you guys with me or keep you guys here. I left this plant, the charly in my sink to let the water dry out, and it's done that. It's actually very dry, so that's good. And it actually looks really cute here in this corner, but I am gonna move it because it can't be wet all the time. I think I might move it over here under this plant on the second step. I think it'll look cute there. Alright guys, I thought that I would show you guys what I'm taking to the gym. I have to note that my hair is getting so big. I love it. But I kind of miss my short hair. Like, it was so much fun. And it still is because it's still a decent amount of short. And I like playing around with it and finding cute little hairstyles. But it's starting to get to that length where it's gonna become its own like big tree. So first I have my headphones, and then I have my head up in this scarf. I'm wearing my shirt that I got from Walmart. It has a little tie here on the side. I have my little belt thing that I like to wear. It's very handy for walks and working out, and I can put all my things in it that I need for working out. Got this in Mexico in 2012. And then I have my workout pants. These are from Target. And my workout shoes, New Balance. And they're so comfortable, they feel like air. I take a sweat rag because I do sweat. I used to not sweat. It took me until senior year of high school that I barely started to sweat, but now I full on sweat. And I have my iPad because I'm gonna be watching some shows on Netflix with my headphones, and I have some entertainment downloaded from Netflix that I can't wait to watch, and I have my cell phone that will go in this pocket. Let's go. There's something about the sprinkler sound that is so calming. I'm the only one in here, so a good day to come in and a good time. 6 in the morning. I forgot to bring my water, but it's okay because I'm only planning to be here for like 30 minutes or less. So I'll probably try and do at least 30 minutes. So yes, I have my iPad, I'm ready to go. I need to figure out how to do this machine thing. What do I want to do? Let me see, what is type? Cardio cycling. Let's do a beginner. I'm not trying to go crazy. I just want to have a little warm up before I do my actual other workout. I'll do this ride because I'm assuming that is actually, yes. This is 28 minutes, 29 minutes. Let's do the 28-minute one. Start.
My name is Will and welcome on to Shift Fitness Ride Pit Ride. So,
what do I have to do?
We're going to be using the beats just to push us and motivate us. If you're
I hear it. I don't see it. I turned the TV off and I can just hear it, but I'm gonna be listening to my movie anyway, or my show. I adjusted the seat so it's exactly where I want it to be, and I'm ready to go. I'm not even paying attention to that. I just realized, voila, perfect. I'm so sleepy. I think I'm gonna take a nap, maybe. If I can fall asleep, I think I can. And I'm gonna just relax. It's so nice. I'm so cozy. I'm laying on my pillows in my living room, and I have the sliding door open so I can feel the cool breeze of the ocean. It feels so good. I'm not far from the beach, so I get the cool beach air and it's nice. Nap time. Good night. I have leftovers. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm coming. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. Oh, the smell. Oh, it smells so good. Those tortillas. I got them super crispy. Look how crispy they are. Oh, it's gonna be so good. I'm gonna put the toppings back on it. And then salsa. Yes. By the way, I love the necklace Nikki gave me. If you guys want to check out her shop, I'll put her Etsy in the description box. I really love it. It's so cute. What a wonderful gift. I was actually planning to get one and she had no idea, but she gave me one. I love it. so bad with all this high-tech stuff that I was just storing my dishes in the dishwasher and I accidentally pressed something and now I'm doing dishes in the I'm washing my already clean dishes in the dishwasher. This was not supposed to happen. I just want to use it as storage and oops, you guys get an extra rent. And it's on heavy. How do I do this? It's just cancel, hold 3 seconds. Okay, I was able to switch it to the light heated dry. So that's what I'm gonna do. I feel like I'm an alien trying to figure out how to survive on planet Earth. I kinda burnt my toes, kinda. Kinda is an understatement. But anyway, look at that cute heart. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure, if you haven't already, if you would like to work, teach, or live abroad, check out my Skype consultations in the description box. If you would like to support my channel, be sure to check the link for my Patreon, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.